Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla offers $20,000 Model S Plaid ceramic brake kit for optimized track handling. Tesla offers free Thanksgiving supercharging rates during off-peak hours. Tesla emails Model Y order holdouts to take delivery by December 2 or lose your spot in line. And Tesla now displays running tally of Autopilot strikeouts before you get kicked out of FSD Beta testing program. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Tesla launched a Model S Plaid carbon ceramic brake kit in its shop recently. The ceramic brake set costs $20,000 and will be available to order by mid-2022. The ceramic brake set is only compatible with Model S Plaid vehicles fitted with 21-inch arachnid wheels. The Plaid comes free with the 19-inch Tempest wheels, while the 21-inch arachnid wheels cost an extra $4,500. The Model S Plaid currently starts at $129,990 before options. The base, dual-motor Model S, all-wheel drive, costs $94,990 before options. Designed for the ultimate track experience, the Model S Plaid carbon ceramic brake kit is a complete hardware package that delivers maximum, repeatable stopping power during high-performance driving. Tesla wrote about its ceramic brake set. The Model S Plaid carbon ceramic brake kit includes the following. For perspective, a Tesla Model S Plaid set the production vehicle record at the Nürburgring in Germany with a time of 7:30:909, running at 166.320 km per hour or 103.35 miles per hour. The Model S Plaid that set the record had zero modifications. Completely unmodified, directly from the factory, Elon Musk tweeted when the Model S Plaid set the record. With its carbon ceramic brake kit, the Model S Plaid would likely handle much better, allowing the beast of a car to control its power during closed-circuit driving. This should make the Model S Plaid a truly frightening force to be reckoned with on the track. During an appearance in the Joe Rogan Experience podcast back in February, Elon Musk revealed that Tesla aims to achieve a lap time in the low 7 minutes for the Model S Plaid. At the time, Musk noted that Tesla might be able to bust 7 minutes with a modified Model S Plaid. The carbon ceramic brake kit could be the first part of Tesla's upcoming track pack for the Model S. The track pack also seems to feature the Plaid's active aero spoiler, which was spotted at the Nürburgring in October. Moving to the next update, Tesla offers free Thanksgiving supercharging rates during off-peak hours. Tesla is offering free supercharging rates during off-peak hours during the Thanksgiving holiday to avoid congestion at its stations. Thanksgiving is commonly known as the holiday that provides the most traffic on American roadways due to excessive traveling. As a result, gas stations, EV charging stations, and basically any station that is meant for refueling will be another recipient of long lines and excessive wait times. Tesla superchargers will be no different, and since EV charging stations are less available than gas stations currently, they will likely be more congested than basically anything else. Therefore, Tesla is offering incentives for supercharging during non-peak times in various California locations. The promotion started at midnight and runs until 10 a.m. Pacific time. It will then reactivate at 7 p.m. and run until 10 a.m. every day until Sunday, November 28th. Avoid the rush this Thanksgiving holiday and charge for free during off-peak hours at superchargers along select California travel routes, the company wrote. Non-peak hour charging is a great opportunity for owners to get their vehicles a full charge during times when superchargers are typically unoccupied. It will spread supercharging needs throughout the day. If Tesla did not do this, many of its owners would see no advantage in supercharging before beginning their trip, and it would likely lead to extensive lines at California charging stations. It is a great strategy to alleviate many hours of waiting that owners may experience as a result of the mass traveling efforts that Americans will experience over the next few days. Moving to the next update, Tesla emails Model Y order holdouts to take delivery by December 2 or lose your spot in line. When you place an order for a new Tesla vehicle, your order agreement states you must take delivery within 30 days of your car being available before forfeiting your order. Tesla does allow customers to place the delivery on hold on the promise that you still plan to buy the car, but for whatever reason, it will be at a later date. The policy has led to some owners sitting on an order for more than 1 year, something that is not ideal when Tesla is experiencing record demand and delivery wait times are extending out to almost a full year. In an effort to get those customers to take action, the company has started emailing them, saying they will lose their spot in line if they don't take delivery by December 2, 2021. The email, first shared on Reddit, does say that if they don't take action, their order will be automatically cancelled, but the deposit will be refunded. It should be noted that this does not apply to customers who placed a pre-order for the Model Y before it was available. In the case of the customer above, they have been holding on to their Model Y order since March 14, 2019, 1 day after the first Model Y delivery in the US. It also doesn't apply to those still holding on to reservations for the mythical, long-range rear-wheel drive variant. While it is disappointing to these customers, some of whom were likely holding out on the hope that a new EV incentive would be announced soon in the US, Tesla needs to sell as many cars as they can to meet the ever-increasing demand. Even with such high demand, Tesla is offering to refund the deposit, something which they didn't really have to do, given the customer has already breached their order agreement, which is a great gesture from Tesla. Moving to the last update, Tesla now displays running tally of Autopilot strikeouts before you get kicked out of FSD Beta testing program. Tesla has taken a strict approach to safety with the expansion of the full self-driving beta testing program by kicking owners out if they don't pay attention while using the software. The company first notified owners by email if they were found to be abusing the system. The email was confusing, however, and didn't provide clarity on exactly how many strikeouts they had before being kicked out. Tesla then added a message that would pop up on the in-car display, saying that continued improper usage will result in the removal of full self-driving beta from the vehicle. While the message was a bit clearer and more prominent, it still didn't advise owners of how bad they had been or how bad they could continue to be. Tesla has now updated the message and added a new section to the Autopilot menu to remove any doubt. The new version of the pop-up message displays the remaining number of strikeouts before being kicked out. A new section has also been added to the Autopilot menu, providing essentially the same message but with a little more detail. After being limited to about 1,000 employees and public testers for the better part of 1 year, Tesla's full self-driving beta program has grown to over 10,000 in recent months. The large increase in testers came after the implementation of the highly anticipated Request Full Self-Driving Beta button in September. It wasn't as easy as hitting the button though. Owners still had to achieve a perfect 100 safety score over a period of 7 or more days to be allowed to download the software. The threshold has since been lowered, with people with a score of 98 or higher most recently being accepted into the program. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.